Hello everyone. Welcome to this complete guide on how to apply for admission to the Technical University of Munich, also known as TUM, one of the top universities in Germany and Europe. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know, from gathering information to submitting your application successfully. Let's get started. First, you need to choose your program. Visit the official TUM website and explore the available bachelor's or master's programs. Make sure the course matches your academic background and career goals. Also, check the language of instruction, whether it's English or German. Next, carefully review the admission requirements. Each program has its own criteria. Generally, for bachelor's programs, you need a higher secondary certificate equivalent to the German Abitur. For master's programs, you need a relevant bachelor's degree. You will also need proof of language proficiency. For English programs, exams like IELTS or TOEFL are required. For German programs, you may need Test DAF or DSH certificates. Now, let's talk about gathering documents. Prepare all the required documents in advance. These usually include your academic transcripts, certificates, CV, motivation letter, passport copy, and language certificates. Make sure all documents are properly scanned and, if necessary, translated into English or German. After that, check the application deadlines. Deadlines are very important. Missing them means you have to wait for the next intake. Typically, winter semester deadlines are around May to July, and summer semester deadlines are around November to January. Now, it's time to apply. Most applications to TUM are done through the online portal called TUM Online. Create an account, fill in your details carefully, and upload all required documents. Some programs may also require you to apply through Uni-Assist, so always double-check the application process for your specific course. After submitting your application, you may need to send some documents by post, depending on the program requirements. Next step, wait for the admission decision. If selected, you will receive an offer letter. Congratulations! Once you receive the offer, you need to accept it and complete enrollment. This includes paying the semester fee and submitting any remaining documents. Now comes the visa process. Apply for a German student visa as soon as possible. Prepare financial proof, such as a blocked account, and book your visa appointment early. Finally, prepare for your journey. Arrange accommodation, health insurance, and travel plans before moving to Germany. And that's it. You are now ready to start your academic journey at TUM. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.